Hello everybody and welcome to Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. Today we are making these banana oat muffins made from freshly milled soft white wheat flour. So let's get started. I have my soft white wheat berries right here and I'm just measuring them out to about 420 grams. That's 3.5 cups of flour. And I probably went a little bit over here because I like to just have a little extra just in case. And I'm going to get out my mill here and go ahead and mill all of these beautiful wheat berries into flour. Now I'm going to grab my 6 very ripe bananas, get them all peeled, and start mashing them. To the bananas, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of coconut sugar. Then add 4 eggs. Now we're going to add 1 cup of coconut oil, which I'm going to melt down in this gorgeous measuring cup that was given to me by a student this year at Christmas time. Shout out to Juju Beans. And you can see I'm measuring 1 cup of coconut oil, and I'm going to have to pop it in the microwave just for a moment, or not a moment, a minute to get it to be liquefied. And while it's in the microwave, I just added a couple splashes of vanilla, about 2 teaspoons. Then stir in 2/3 of a cup of whole milk and 3 cups of rolled oats. Here I am measuring out exactly 420 grams of flour because I think I put 450 grams or so of the wheat berries in, but I did end up just throwing all of the flour that I ground in it. Here is 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I'm also going to put in a teaspoon of Redmond real fine sea salt. Now the muffins are going into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I do like to start taking them out of the muffin pans immediately, or else a lot of moisture will come out and they'll kind of sit in the moisture. So I let the moisture kind of escape sitting on the wire rack to cool, and then they cool much faster that way, so you can take them out and eat them. I actually made these at nighttime and the kids had just had dinner, so this is more of a tasting than a full meal, although I believe Camden did end up eating two. What I'm doing here is I'm going to freeze most of the muffins because they're so easy to pop out of the freezer in the morning and microwave for 30 seconds before giving to the kids for breakfast before school, or you can simply take them out the night before, pop them in the fridge, and then they're thawed and ready to go the next morning. And of course, I'm just going to leave a few out just because I know the kids are going to be hungry when they wake up tomorrow, which is a Sunday. And I'm sure that's going to be the first thing they grab, which is great because it is super healthy. And there he goes. First thing the next morning, he grabs the muffin. And as I said, it's really great because we are using organic, whole grains, freshly milled, all of those nutrients retained. And it's a perfect way to start out the morning, even though, as you can see on the right, there are some whole grain bagels that we're going to eat later in the morning. So muffins first, bagels next, and it's all whole grains and all amazing for you and delicious. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.